And now we are at Tybee Island in South Carolina, just outside of Savannah. And this is the beach. I'll walk along it in a minute with you. But first I wanted to show you this. Yeah, it's treated. We don't know with what, but it's treated. And I love the prohibited. The very first thing is disorderly conduct. Kegs, glass, littering, nudity prohibited. Overnight sleeping prohibited. Pets are prohibited. Removal of live wildlife. That's good. Fishing, I guess, is okay. Isn't that the same thing? Smoking or vaping and unauthorized vehicles. Interesting. Ship wake zone, be alert. Interesting stuff, you know. So it is kind of windy here. It was actually much worse yesterday. And, you know, sort of almost dark, as usual. But here we are. This was like a, I don't know, quarter-mile walk from the campground, which they did not tell me yesterday. I asked them where the beach was. Anyway, it's kind of like an inlet or something, because it looks like there's land over there, so there must be some surrounded by. Yes, it's very windy. But seriously, it was so much worse yesterday. I'll be quiet, let you look. This is a tidal line. Really soft sand here, and I want to be sinking in. Yeah, it looks like just one of these like don't go there rivers. It certainly looks like Savannah. Said that the weather forecast said that this wind should be dying down by now, and it does kind of feel a little bit calmer than it was yesterday. But the waves are really soft, the way I like them. Yeah, I think this one's going to be a short one, because there isn't that much more, and I'm just doing my morning workout over here. I have not been getting to do that often enough, and I can feel the difference in my body. More aches, more pains, more tremor. So, all right, with that, I think I'm gonna quietly let you have 30 seconds of waves, and then I'll be off on my fast walk in honor of John Pepper, who I'm sure we all miss. And John Pepper, just quickly for those who don't know, John Pepper was the guy who basically cured himself enough to be declared Parkinson's free by fast walking. every other day. Or maybe he was doing it every day at the end there. Alright. Thanks all. See you soon.